Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius. Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 8 minus 7 equals what? The answer is 1. Perfect start. Question 2. What is 10 minus 4? That's 6. Nice and clean. Question 3. 1 minus 1. Go. It's 0. Same number, always 0. Question 4. Can you solve 2 minus 0? The total is 2. 0 takes nothing away. Question 5. Think fast. 5 minus 3. What's the answer? You get 2. Boom. Question 6. 7 minus 0. What do you get? The sum is 7. 0 changes nothing. Question 7. Subtract 2 from 2. What's the total? Zero is the answer. Same number, 0 again. Question 8. What is 7 minus 1? That's 6. Sharp. Question 9. Got it so far? Good. 3 minus 1. Go. It's 2. Smooth. Question 10. 0 minus 0. What do you get? The answer is 0. 0 minus 0. Easy level done.
Excellent. Medium level. Same number tricks everywhere. Stay locked in. Question 11. 7 minus 4. What's the answer? You get 3. Sharp start. Question 12. Think fast. 5 minus 2. Go. The sum is 3. Same answer. Brilliant. Question 13. 7 minus 1. What's the total? That's 6. Same answer as before. Smooth. Question 14. What is 10 minus 2? The total is 8. Quick and clean. Question 15. 0 minus 0. What's the answer? It's 0. 0 minus 0. Halfway through medium. Star. Question 16. Got it? Stay sharp. 0 minus 0. Go. Zero is the answer. Same question again, still 0. Question 17. 2 minus 2, what do you get? You get 0, third 0 in this set. Question 18. What is 2 minus 2? That's 0. Same question, same trick, fourth 0. Question 19. Almost there. 7 minus 5, what's the total? The sum is 2, so close to the end. Question 20. Think fast. 8 minus 6, go. The answer is 2, medium level, crushed.
Star. Final level, tricky. Same number subtractions hiding everywhere. Stay focused. Last 10, finish strong. Question 21. 10 minus 6, what's the answer? It's 4. Strong, tricky start. Question 22. What is 4 minus 3? The total is 1. Quick and clean. Question 23. Subtract 2 from 4. Go. That's 2. Sharp. Question 24. 9 minus 2. What do you get? Seven is the answer. Biggest answer yet. Question 25. Think fast. 0 minus 0. What's the total? The sum is 0. 0 minus 0. 5 more, you've got this. Question 26. 1 minus 0. What's the answer? You get 1. 0 can't touch it. Excellent. Question 27. Got it? Beautiful. 3 minus 0. Go. The answer is 3. 0 strikes again. 3 more. Question 28. What is 9 minus 4? That's 5. 2 more. Don't stop. Question 29. Almost there. 7 minus 7. What do you get? It's 0. Same number, always 0. 1 more to go. Target. Final question. Give it everything. 4 minus 4. What's the answer? The answer is 0. Trophy. A perfect 0 finish. You did it. 30 questions, easy, medium, and tricky, all complete. You are an absolute math superstar.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.